Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and insights. CreditRepair.com offers a comprehensive platform for individuals seeking to improve their credit scores. Navigating the complexities of credit reports can be challenging, but this website provides valuable resources and tools to simplify the process. They offer various services, including credit report analysis, dispute resolution assistance, and educational materials to empower users to take control of their financial health. The website aims to demystify credit repair by breaking down complicated concepts into easily digestible information. Users can learn about their rights as consumers and access helpful tips for building and maintaining a healthy credit history. CreditRepair.com emphasizes the importance of understanding your credit report and provides guidance on identifying potential errors or inaccuracies. By offering personalized support and resources, the platform helps individuals develop strategies for achieving their financial goals. They provide clear explanations of credit scoring models and offer practical advice for improving creditworthiness. Whether you're dealing with past credit challenges or simply looking to boost your score, CreditRepair.com offers a suite of tools and resources designed to assist you throughout the credit repair journey. The site features numerous articles and guides covering a wide range of credit-related topics, including debt management, budgeting, and identity theft protection. With a focus on consumer education and empowerment, CreditRepair.com strives to equip individuals with the knowledge and resources they need to navigate the credit system effectively. From understanding your credit score to disputing inaccuracies, CreditRepair.com offers a comprehensive solution for those seeking to improve their financial well-being. Furthermore, the website highlights the long-term benefits of good credit, such as access to better loan terms and lower interest rates. They provide practical strategies for managing debt responsibly and establishing healthy financial habits. By offering a user-friendly interface and accessible information, CreditRepair.com aims to make the credit repair process less daunting and more manageable for everyone. They underscore the importance of proactive credit management and encourage users to take an active role in shaping their financial futures. Through a combination of educational resources, personalized support, and practical tools, CreditRepair.com helps individuals take charge of their credit and achieve their financial aspirations.